Hey guys, welcome to the course and happy and glad to see you here in the course. I am sure you will absolutely love everything that you will learn here. And by the end of the course, this is my promise to you, by the end of the course, if you take all the assignments, if you watch all the lectures, and especially if you apply what you learn, by the end of the course, you will have amazing results on Instagram. You will have followers growing, you will have people going to your website, buying your products and services, and you will have the absolute best profile and presence on Instagram. So what's the strategy for us? First, let me tell you that Instagram is great. I mean, it's not great, it's fantastic because we have 800 million users over there. And look at this. 80% of these 800 million people like at least one business. So from 800 millions, 80% like a business on Instagram. So if you have a business or if you want to promote you as a product, as a brand, or if you have a brand services, this is the right place because your target audience is here. So before we start with the course, let me tell you what's the plan. First, we want to make sure you have the most optimized and powerful Instagram account, okay? If you have an account, that's fine. You can jump to the next section if you want, to the step number 2. But if you have your account, I invite you to watch this because here we are not just talking about, okay, how to create the account. We are talking in deep. We are analyzing all the top players on Instagram, the top players on your industry. We are analyzing and getting the strategies that are working for them and applying that on your business to make sure that you have the results that you want, okay? That's number 1. After that, we will talk about content, how to plan your content, what is the best strategy to captivate your followers with the content that you create. And we will talk about marketing, how to market your products, services, yourself, your company on Instagram. For example, we'll talk about posting a schedule, right? Most people saying, okay, I am already on Facebook, YouTube, in all the social medias. I don't have time for Instagram. Don't worry, because here, by the end of the course, we actually have a final assignment, which is the last step. And by the end of the course, you will have 1 month of content already scheduled. You will sit down for an hour and a half, schedule all your content for 1 month, and after that you forget about it. It will work automatically, start collecting new followers and fans for your business, which is what we want, right? So marketing, we'll talk about Instagram Live, how you can go live from your device to the world. So you create raving fans that are always waiting for your content. We'll talk about Instagram Stories, one of the most powerful tools, guys, that Instagram have right now. 300 million people watch Instagram stories every day, and you need to be there. And that's why we are here, right? To make that happen. So what else? We will connect your Facebook page with your Instagram. So if you have Facebook page already with fans and all that, all these people will see your Instagram content on your Facebook page. They don't need to leave Facebook. We will do a connection here, and you will love this. I'm sure that only that by itself will help you to grow your Instagram followers and to get more engagement on your post. After that, we are jumping to the third goal here, which is to convert these fans that you have on Instagram and also on Facebook. We are doing a link here, but mainly on Instagram, to convert them into paying customers. We are doing call to action. We are using great marketing strategies that, again, we will analyze what's working on your niche. We will analyze your competitors. We will make a list of your competitors, Instagram, see what they are doing right, see how they are converting, how engagement is going on their page, what kind of post is working for them, and we are applying all that on your business here, on your Instagram business, okay? So converting these guys, these followers, these fans into paying customers. That's the goal on step number 3. After that, we are jumping to step number 4, which is Instagram ads. Okay, so if you want, this is not mandatory, but if you want, you will learn here how to create easily, very simple steps to create 4 types of Instagram ads: photo, carousel, video, and Instagram ad stories. So if you see the stories that 300 million people are watching every day, you will be able to create ads over there. And nobody's doing it right now. People are start doing it. Big companies are starting to invest on Instagram stories, and it's one of the most powerful ways to be in front of your audience every day. Okay. And the final step, as I told you, is the final assignment, where we will sit down, apply all the strategies we already learned on the course, everything that works for you, for your company, make sure everything is in place, and create a 30-day posting schedule for your business. So you don't need to invest time every day thinking, okay, what do I need to post? I don't have any ideas or anything like that. So we'll sit down for an hour and a half, schedule everything for a month, and forget about it. It will work automatically, and just do it for the next month after that, okay? That's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the next section here. Let's see what we have coming. Well, I will have a quick lecture telling you how to take the course, what's the best way to do it, how to ask questions and all that. Small details that are important, how you get your certificate. You will get a completion certificate by the end of the course that will prove that you completed this and you have amazing knowledge on Instagram, okay? All that is coming on the next lecture. Again, I'm excited to see you here, and let's jump there right now.